Hey gang, it's your old buddy Platt, and today I show you how to make chocolate peanut butter whiskey pudding. So let's go. Alright gang, so I decided that it's time to get back in the kitchen, make another alcohol-infused treat. Last video I did was alcohol-infused ice cream. Really thought that was kind of fun. Been wanting to do this video for a while. Now I did do a few years back a video where I did alcohol-infused pudding, but I think I had whipped cream and other stuff. But I remember at the time doing those videos and kind of doing the drunken shake things. I wanted to do some more with pudding. Pudding's just so easy to make, and there's so many varieties, flavors of pudding, and to match all the flavors of alcohol out there. So I thought I really wanted to delve into that. Didn't get around to it then, but we're getting around to that now. And so today I thought we'd start off basic and we'll kind of work our way out throughout the series. I just went with a classic chocolate instant pudding. You find any grocery store. Real simple. As far as the alcohol, I kind of went 2 or 3 different ways. First, I thought, well, maybe like an Irish cream, or something, kind of a cream liqueur in there. And then I thought, wow. Or maybe a chocolate vodka or a peppermint vodka, mint vodka to go in there. But as I was checking out a liquor store the other day, I saw the peanut butter whiskey, and it just like, of course. The old TV commercial, about peanut butter and chocolate, two great tastes that taste great together. And so I thought this would be perfect for the first time making the pudding. So with that being said, let's get to making some chocolate peanut butter whiskey pudding. Okay guys, so this is pretty simple. Most of your generic pudding packs are fairly simple. We're just going to take 2 cups of cold milk. Obviously adjust any dietary needs you have. And then 1 packet of the pudding mix. Sprinkle that in there. Make sure we get all that out. And then we're just going to whisk for about 2 minutes or so. Just want to get everything stirred in good. Want to start stiffening up a little bit. So let me stir this for a couple more minutes, and then we'll come back to add our alcohol. Alright gang, we got our pudding thickening up pretty well. Now time to add the alcohol. Here is where I kind of come up with this. So each of these are close to about 2 ounces. 2 cups of milk is 16 ounces. So we got 4 ounces basically of alcohol here for 16 ounces of a little more than 16 ounces of pudding. That's about 1 ounce of spirit for every 4 ounces of pudding. If I was making a cocktail, 1 ounce of spirit for 4 ounces of mixture. That's about right anyway. So we're just going to dump both these bottles in there. Oh, I like peanut butter. Alright, we're going to dump her in there. And we're going to give her a stir, start mixing it in. I'm going to get this all incorporated. Then we'll put it in the fridge. Let it sit for about 5-10 minutes or so. Get nice and thick and everything. And then we'll come back to taste test. Alright gang, the moment we've been waiting for. Our pudding is set up nice and cold. We're going to give her a try. Oddly enough, you really don't taste the booze. The peanut butter's subtle, but it is there. It's just straight classic chocolate pudding pretty much. But the peanut butter's just there enough, subtle. Hold on, let me go back in for research's sake. Oh yeah, it's nice. I'm not going to say I'm going to eat this whole bowl, but there's a shot. There's a possibility. Man, this is great. Pudding's so simple. Instant pudding is just so simple to make. Those flavors just match well together, chocolate and peanut butter. This has definitely got the old brain going. Real quick though, I do want to, something just popped in my head. On the package it noted that you know, they had kind of two different recipes. One for just classic pudding, and then one if you're making like a pie filling. And my brain went there for a second, and I kind of realized, well, if you bake the pie, you're baking out the booze. So that's just something to remember if you're wanting to go that direction. But pudding's used in so many different desserts, and again, we've alcohol infused. There's so many varieties of pudding and so much booze. Man, we're definitely going to do more of these. I would love to get some feedback, suggestions, ideas. You know, maybe, hey, you ought to try this type of alcohol, this type of pudding, what have you. I'd love to hear the feedback from it. We're definitely going to do more of these. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe down below. Also, please like the video because it lets YouTube know we're putting out good product. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or ideas, please leave them in the comment section, or you can always contact me on the Twitter page. Till next time, bottoms up.